Hey there, you ever wonder what you can do to help support your local restaurants? I'm dedicating today's video in hopes that it will inspire you to do so. I'll share a few simple ways you can actually accomplish this, and then I'll show you what we did to help support ours. Even though a lot of restaurants sadly remain closed, there are many that have started to serve takeout, fresh produce boxes, even frozen house-made items such as soup dumplings. Some have actually transformed their entire establishments into a grocery store. My fiance found a restaurant in Brooklyn that sells 2 different size produce boxes. We decided to go with their large box, and boy were we surprised. Right, here we go. Look at this big, beautiful, let me see. And that looks so good. We're going in, got our box of vegetables from the James, located in Brooklyn, supporting small local restaurants. Beautiful, look at that gorgeous stuff. This box was awesome. Let me show you what we had inside. So, okay, we got some radishes. We got shallots, basil here, red sorrel. We have all these herbs up here. Look at this. I wish you could smell this. We have dill, chives, edible flowers, microgreens, carrots, carrot tops. Carrot tops are awesome. I don't know if you've ever eaten the carrot tops, but they make for a wonderful addition. We got some endives. I mean, look at the size of this leek. Fennel. You can always use the tops of these fennel. Add to salads. Here's some awesome kale, rainbow Swiss chard. I mean, it's just, this is crazy. Let me give you a little aerial view, like we're flying over in an airplane. My fiance cleaned the carrots almost immediately. After I saw her prepping, she decided she was going to roast them. The best part was when she took the carrot tops and she turned them into an herby, vinegary chimichurri sauce. That dish was crazy good. She even added broccoli rabe, sweet potato, and a delicious mustard sauce. By the end of the week, we felt so proud of what we accomplished by using everything. We were able to incorporate these special ingredients into a lot of other dishes. Check these out. Even before this pandemic, nearly 60% of restaurants failed within their first year, 80% failed within their first 5 years. So if you thought that being stuck inside meant that there was nothing that you can do to help contribute in supporting your local restaurants, think again. This video shows otherwise, and I hope you can see that. Teamwork makes the dream work, and we're all in this together. Thank you so very much for watching. Please like and subscribe below, and I'll see you guys again in the next one.